So in today's video, I'm going to build this step to easier reach up on that roof rack.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
Alright, so let's discuss the basic design of what this step is going to be like, or how it's going to work. This part is more than two parts actually. It's a U on top with the two arms that can swing, that are versatile like that. It can basically bend. And this is going to be the part that hooks over the wheel. The wheel is obviously going to be in here with the top sticking out on this end. And this part is going to simply bolt onto this arm also, so that it's able to swing open and close. The main reason for the swinging part is so that this can pack quite compactly and you can stow it away easier. Now the top part here was basically simple. It's a basic U that I welded together on the two corners here, two 45-degree welds, and on the ends I basically put two pieces of flat bar, one on each side here, welded that, and then drilled a hole right through with some bolts and washers going through it. This part is a basic simple design as well. It's a rectangular shape welded on the four corners with some supports in the middle, all square tubing that was laying around, and a piece of rectangular tubing in the middle just for some more added strength, and then two pieces of flat bar on the corners here, also welded to the frame with two holes drilled through them, which we will be able to swivel on. Now this I'm just going to quickly put together. I'm going to bolt it up with the washers and everything, and when it's bolted together we'll quickly see what it looks like, and then we'll go test it out on the vehicle. And I'm sure this is going to be one major step up than trying to reach on top or climbing on top of the tire or anything of that sort. So let me quickly put this together. Okay, so with the whole thing bolted together, this is kind of what it looks like when it's folded. Now I've used some bolts and washers on the outside. On the inside I used some lock nuts, some nylock nuts with washers as well, so that they won't undo themselves or become undone with the opening and folding. And then the main part is, if you open this part like so, and then like this is the design. This is the part that's going to hook over the wheel, and this is going to be the part where you step onto it. Now I have weight tested this, and this can take a substantial amount of weight. Some people with some fairly heavy body mass and some heavy weight can climb onto this thing as well. I've tested it with two people climbing it on top of it at the same time, and it held up quite nice. Once you step on this, it is a slight bit bouncy, but that's only the arms and the whole setup that's rocking against the tire itself. So it's just a bit of a rocking action against the tire, with the air inside obviously letting it bounce a bit. But it's very sturdy. You can stand on top of this very steadily, and you can easily perform your task or put loads on top of the roof rack. And that's what the main purpose of this thing was for. So let's fold this thing flat and go and test it on the vehicle. This should be interesting. Okay, so let's have a look. Here's the basic design. Fold it open like so, then like this. We'll hook it over the tire, put it more or less level so that the stepping part here is level, and then you can comfortably climb on top of this. Like you can see, there's a slight bit of a bouncing motion with the tire moving, but I can easily reach on top of the roof rack, and this is very steady. I can stand on it by my own, still keep on bouncing, and this holds my weight just fine. This is also a perfectly good chair if you wish to have a seat next to the vehicle, if there's a bit of shade or you just want to have a rest. This is quite comfortable. I mean, I'm very happy with the way this came out. So if you want to see more like this, please tell me. If you want to tell me what your opinions are of this step, or any ideas you have to make it better, please tell me in the comments below. But for now, that's it. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.